Kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a paper umbrella for Thanksgiving. So this is a special Thanksgiving special umbrella and it's easy to make as well. So you can gift this umbrella to your friends and family. You can also keep this as a home decor and especially you can use it for playing with your dolls. So without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this Thanksgiving special umbrella. So first for this activity, I'm going to be taking 3 color papers of 3 different colors which are red, yellow and orange. I'm taking these 3 colors because these 3 colors are the most related colors to Thanksgiving. So now I'm just going to be placing all these 3 colors on top of each other like this and I'm layering them together. So now I'm just going to be taking this piece and I'm folding it in half like this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be taking a glue bottle and I'm going to be using it to draw a small circle around this. So you guys can use a pencil to trace this as well. I'm just going to be using a scissor and I'm just going to be drawing a small circle around it like this. So if you guys do not know how to draw a circle, you can use a compass or you can just use a wood bangle to draw the circle as well. So after we are done doing this, I'm just going to be drawing this circle and I'm going to be cutting it out slowly like this. So please be careful while using a scissor because there are many incidents in which children cut their fingers while using a scissor. So I'm just going to be cutting this circle out slowly like this. Please wait while I cut this out. So now I've completed cutting it out and as you guys can see, there will be totally 6 circles like this. One second, yeah. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm just going to be folding one circle like this in half. Next we'll be folding it in half one more time slowly like this. So you guys have to repeat the same step for all the other circles slowly like this. So please do not do it in a hurry and do it slowly so that the output will be nice and cute and beautiful. So I'm repeating the same step for all the 6 circles I cut out. So you guys can cut out more circles like this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be taking one of the circles like this and I'm going to be taking a glue bottle and I'm going to be applying some glue onto the bottom part of the half side like this and I'm going to be sticking it in half over here. So you have to repeat the same step for all the circles like this. So we just have to apply some glue like this. So we just have to spread the glue, then we have to press it. So you guys can spread the glue using the top part of the glue as well. Or you can just use an ice cream stick or anything that's easy for you and you can spread it. So I'm going to be repeating the same step for all these circles slowly like this. So just a small reminder for you guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So after we complete this, we'll have many circles like this. So the next step is that I'm just going to be leaving my fingers inside like this and I'm pressing on it so that these parts will come open slowly like this. So we just have to repeat the same step for all these circles. So we just have to open them to make sure and to see if they are sealed well enough. So now I'm just going to be applying some glue onto the bottom parts of these circles. So we should not apply the glue onto the bottom part, we should apply it onto the half from the top part like this and I'm going to be sticking the other part on top of it. So we have to repeat the same step like this. So we just have to apply some glue and we have to stick it. So first I stuck orange, next I'm sticking yellow and after that I'm going to be sticking red on top of it. So I'm just going to be continuing this as a pattern. So orange, yellow and red. So we have to do this slowly like this. So now I'm going to be sticking the last part which is red. So as I said, you guys can use an ice cream stick to spread this as well. So after we complete this, we just have to press on it strongly like this from the top part. And now I'm just going to be opening it slowly like this. So as we have to open it, we just have to keep our fingers slowly like this while opening it to make it more stronger. So after we complete this, we'll get half of like a semicircle like this. So we have to make one more half of a semicircle like this. I've already made this one. You guys can make it. So now I'm just going to be applying some glue on half of here, and I'm going to be applying half over here as well. Now I'm going to be sticking this half part onto that one. So you guys can cut out 12 circles at the beginning and do it so that it will work out. Or you can just take 6 circles for doing this activity as well. But the less circles you use, the more it won't be good enough. So if you use like more circles, it will be more good. So the more circles you use, the more beautiful it will be. So we just have to stick it like this, and we have to give it some time to dry. So after it's dry, we'll have like a circle umbrella-ish structure. Now I'm just going to be taking a long white tube of like it's just a string-like structure. So you guys can roll paper as well. So now I'm just going to be cutting it over here to get it a perfect size like this. Now I'm just going to be folding it at the bottom part to get an umbrella size. So this is just like a wire and some white color wrapped around it. So you can find this in the local craft store as well. So after we complete this, we're just going to be squeezing this slowly like this. So I'm just going to be making it a little bit smaller at the bottom part, and I'm going to be squeezing this inside. So this will take some time, so please do it slowly and do not do it in a hurry. So we have to just squeeze it slowly like this. So if you guys can apply some glue in the center part here as well. So after we complete this, and after it's completely dry, our paper special umbrella for Thanksgiving is ready. So you guys can do it in a single color as well, but since Thanksgiving is full of colors such as yellow, orange and red, it will be more beautiful to make the umbrella more colorful as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So you guys can stick more colors and more circles on this as well. So thank you for watching. Bye.